I'm not really a big fan of using like reverb like standard on your sounds, like putting a reverb for like 20% all the time. I really like to use it like more like a play tool, like to fill up the gaps. So the first note it's really dry, but I think it's nice to play a little bit with the second note. So there's more dimension in the track as well. A little bit more. And as you can hear, you can always play with the rhythm, with timing, and then just try random stuff. Like don't work with your eyes, but work with your ears. This is pretty cool as well. Sometimes I'm just playing around with this for like maybe hours, and then automating it and putting effects after it, which I can show you after this. But I think it's pretty dope. It's either this way or this way. No, I prefer this one. And then there's another gap. Just playing around again. For a little bit extra rhythm without having to add any percussions or anything. A little bit more tight. I'll probably use the same.